Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how to set your gree AC remote control for heating. If you are recently purchased your gree air conditioner and struggle to understand gree AC remote control functions, then I will explain how to set gree AC remote for heating. Before we start, please make sure you have to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for our next update. Basically, heating mode is for heating during winters, and it is only available in gree two-way air conditioners. First of all, turn on your gree AC remote, and then press mode button for set your gree AC remote control for heating. Now you can see on screen heating symbol is appear on the screen, and press volume plus and volume down button for set your room temperature. That's it. And if you want to adjust your fan, then press fan button. That's it. If you like our video, please subscribe and like this video for our next update. Thanks for watching.